In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok video public. So if you have uploaded a video and you have the privacy settings as private and you want to make it public, the first thing you want to do is head over to TikTok. Once you are on your For You page here, you need to head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, as you can see where all the icons are, just under Edit Profile, there will be a little padlock icon, and if you click on this, what you'll see is all of the videos that you've uploaded that are in private mode. So if you want to make one of these public, you need to choose the one you want to make public, click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can now scroll across until you find privacy settings. Click on privacy settings, and then as you can see there will be an option for who can watch this video. If you click on this option here, you can now click on friends or followers. So if you click on that, as you can see, that will now change this. So if we go back, as you can see, that video has now disappeared from my private section. So it's just that simple to go ahead and make a video public on TikTok.